No, I think that used to be like a handicap ramp.
Put a whole railing.
Yeah,
here,
do a full
cover,
railing
and leave it
here.
there, yeah.
Clean this up, fix this, of
Yeah,
course.
and put a railings.
Pull that extra top piece
Yeah,
off,
top,
get rid of that.
Top for save it whenever we can.
Yep, clean this part up here. I mean, the decking, I mean, structurally it seems great.
Well,
So we got a big space down here. Obviously, a whole lot of trash to still get out of here. But our panel looks good. We know we got Verizon here. We got a little workshop area here. Furnace is in good shape. Hot water tank's in good shape. Oil tank's in good shape. Just locked up inside. Boys got all their measurements. Took a whole bunch of notes because this thing is going to be a huge project. But stay tuned, follow along. It's going to be fun.